Alrighty guys, so today what we're doing is we are going to be replacing this stock on my Accura, or more commonly known or sold under like the CVA Corporation, like that brand. So my stock has started to suffer from deterioration, so it was getting really sticky. So I contacted the company and asked if it was like under warranty or something, and no questions asked. They just had me send a picture of it and such, and 3 days later I have brand new stock in front of me. This is my first time changing out a stock on any gun ever, so this should be, I don't expect it to be very hard, but I want to try to do it in one take, just bring you guys along with me and see if I can figure this out. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take this big screw out right here, which I think is the only thing holding the front foregrip on. No, that's not. That was right. I don't think there's anything there. I gotta just be able to. So I can put that bad boy back in. So slid down all the way up. It's on there. I don't like how it's on there. I feel like it's slid down in front. I feel it. That might be better. Yeah, right there looks good. Good enough for me anyway. It's nice and real tight. Alright, so I'll get the front fork replaced. Now we can move back to the main part of the stock, which will start with removing the butt pad. So I got my little screwdriver here. I'm getting a bite. This is the first day of muzzleloading season. It was kind of convenient it came on that day. I mean, a bit more convenient if it came yesterday, but hey, 3 days I'm not going to complain at all about shipping times and such. Screwdriver 1. Man, this thing really doesn't want to come out. God damn, bro. Holy shit. I don't think it's fucking grabbing. Oh, you stupid bitch. Oh my god, this is getting so fucking tedious. I'm stripping it. Room's a mess. I apologize. Alright. Come back to that bitch later. Okay, now it turns out I need like an H8 or something like that, so I'm gonna go get that and I will be right back. Okay, I'm on my toolbox now. Gonna look for like an H8, or no, it's probably like a I think it's gonna be H6. Bingo, I'm just that good. stock is off. I can get this screwed up. Okay. I never knew that's what that little screw was. It was a trigger adjustment screw. Until I see that sticker right there that says trigger adjustment screw. Never knew that. I was wondering why the gun had such a light trigger. I mean, I really like it. Having an extremely light trigger. I also ended up getting the butt pad on because I used a drill and that was a pain in my ass. Okay, that's solid. Give it one more good turn just for the solidness of everything. Okay, put this back on. Got a new one of these little end cap things too, which is nice. I have the screwdriver I actually need inside. So I guess I'll just use. Let's use this guy. Alright, after I put my sling back on, it'll be all back to normal. So that is how you change a stock on a Accura or a CVA muzzleloader. Thanks for watching. I don't know how much the end of that has been messed up because I just realized now that my camera angle is up too high instead of being down here like I wanted it to be. So the last like 2.5 minutes might be a little bit botched and weird. You can't really see anything, so I'm sorry for that. I didn't realize that until right now. Yeah, thanks for watching. You might notice that the camo is slightly different, like the pattern and such, which I actually kind of like because of the fact it switches it up a bit, and I really like that. But yeah, it's a little bit different color. This is more like white, and the leaf pattern and stuff is a bit different, which I actually enjoy. But yeah, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys. If you want to support me a little bit, you can go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. I'm really starting to get invested in the whole YouTube thing because I'm starting to enjoy it, and I just recently, like 2 days ago, hit 100 subscribers, and now I'm at 101. So if we can keep that number climbing, I'd like to reach like 120 by the end of 2023. My goal was 100, and we hit that already, but we got one more month, and I want to hit 120 subscribers by the end of 2023, and I would greatly appreciate it if you guys could help me make that happen. Thanks for watching. More videos coming soon. Peace, guys. I really appreciate it.